are you going to say? Are you going to talk about that toy? Or the fact that we just cleaned this room?
I'm say, feel ball one.
All right.
Feel ball one.
What else do you want to say?
Sophie's so pretty.
Isn't she?
Let me say when you tape me. Sophie's so pretty. Sophie's so pretty.
Yeah.
Now make a video of it. Sophie's so pretty.
We're doing this whole video this whole time.